Hey guys, welcome back to another slime Mikasa video. This time is a Halloween restock. I'm so sorry for uploading this video so late, but I still want to post a video to promote my products. So these Halloween slimes will be available in my shop for the whole of November, and then I will stop listing them at the end of November. So if you want these slimes, you can still get it in the month of November. Then we will make way for Christmas slimes. So yeah, enjoy this video. Thank you so much for being patient with me. First is caramel apple waffle DIY kit. I sold this for like 2 weeks already, I think. And it's a customer favorite. I feel like most customers reach out for the DIY kit slime, this one, and also the Frankenstein slime. Anyways, this slime you will get one thick base. The one I'm showing right now is in 4 ounce, so you get 4 ounce thick white base slime, and you also get this 2 ounce syrup, basically like caramel syrup, so you can drip it onto your slime. You can decorate it however you want it, but I just do it like this, and then I save a little bit more so I can drip it on top of the waffle. So this is the red waffle slime. It's red because apples, and then I take the leftover sauce and pour it onto the slime, and then decorate it with apple fimos. This slime is so fun to assemble, and I feel kind of sad that I have to mix it in and destroy it. Next is Frankenstein Scoop DIY kit. This slime comes with a pack of sprinkles, a pack of blood sauce, which is red clear slime, and thick white base. This one is in 4 ounce, and Frankenstein design scoop, clay scoop. And then you can decorate it however you want. I decorate it like this. I put the sauce around the base, and then I put the scoop right on top. It looks so good, man. It looks like mint chocolate ice cream. And I drip the sauce on top of the scoop and pour the sprinkles. It looks so cute. I was so sad to destroy it, but yeah, it's definitely one of my most favorite slimes to make because it's so pretty. You can get this slime in 4 ounce and 6 ounce size on my Shopee. It's selling quite good, so I'm really glad that you guys are liking it. So yeah, go get the slime if you want. Next slime is a thick and glossy base with crunchy top. There's a lot of add-ins, as you can see, and it is honey and yam scented. It's one of my most favorite scent mix that I've made. So yeah, it smells like really sweet honey. So if you like honey scent, then go and buy this one. I think you will really like it. This slime is super bubbly. You can play it like only for a few minutes and will get so like puffy and bubbly, and it makes super like really great bubble pops. I like to make bubble pops, so this one I love it so much. This clip is a day later, so all of the ingredients, the add-ins already rise to the top, and look at that base. It's so glossy. I love glossy slime so much. Next is candy corn butter. This is also one of my favorite slime in this Halloween restock because it's so crunchy. I really like crunchy slimes because it's so crunchy. I love the crunch sounds, and also the bubble pops are so intense. This one also inflates because it makes so much bubbles. So yeah, enjoy the mixing of this video. Oh, and this slime is scented custard, so it smells like really sweet, like baked goods. So if you like really like bread kind of smells, then like sweet bread, so you can get this slime if you want. Next is poison apple. It is a green clear slime with 7 red pom-poms to represent the 7 dwarfs from Snow White, and it's super simple, but it's also satisfying. I really like the texture. If you've tried my clear slime textures, then you'll know that it's quite thick, super clear, and it's also so stretchy. So yeah, next is fake blood clear slime. It's just a simple red clear slime that looks like blood, kind of like blood. So yeah, go get it if you like clear slimes like me. Last but not least is pumpkin boba slime, and here I'm showing you the new slime activator in spray bottle, so you can just spray onto the slime so that it won't be sticky, or you can spray it onto your hands so that it's easier for customers to use the slime activator instead of just mixing the borax like you used to. Anyways, this is a thick and glossy slime. The pokes are really loud and it also inflates. You also get boba beads inside, and look at it, it's so glossy. It's one of my favorite slimes, definitely number 1 because I like TNG slime, but it's so underrated, so go get it if you like it. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.